अबे साले
Hello, welcome back to my new video. So this is my house. This is my mother. This is your phone. English.
No English, I am no English.
Only English. English blog यार. Sorry. This is English blog. This is chai bookie. This is lot. This is तावली गलम होता गलम. This is washing machine कपड़ा धोવાની. This is सब कचरा. This is कोथली polythene. It is I am પોતે. This is my Range Rover. Open the door. Start the lighting. And coding flying. वापस रखें. This is place. Complete. Ready. This is कुत्रा dog. This is घड़ियाल. This is mirror. इसके अंदर है क्या कहते आई एम पोते. This is my phone charging. I am eating chai pani. And meet you. Continue my vlog. It is remote. Starting TV and seeing जेठालाल चंपकलाल गड़ा. और बाद में eating चाय with TV. करेंगे enjoy. मिलेंगे बाद में. Continue. This is world famous Fuara. It is remote number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 और 0.
हम करते हैं प्रबंध.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
This is chai. It is tea. It is rotla. I eating tea and rotla and meet you 2 hours. This is my Dhannorani and I am go to for the dukan on the road. Come on, let's go. It's a waffle. It is a fruity. I am eating a waffle. Tasty, beautiful, tasty. This is a doll. Sorry, this is a water. This is a mela. I am करिंग साफ सफाई in my दुकान. You are watching, तो come to my दुकान. वरना घर पे sleeping. Okay. Continue to my blog. This fan is very run fasting. कारण के पोतू सुखा जाएंगे. वरना गीला होई हम फिसल जाएंगे. समझ में आएंगे. फाइनली दुकान इज रेडी. देखो फर्स्ट इज 1 नंबर फर्स्ट हो गया. क्लीन क्लच 1 नंबर. कंप्लीट उकड़ा बुकड़ा सब हटा जाएंगे सब साफ कर दिया मिशन कंप्लीट कंटिन्यू ब्लॉगिंग एंड एंजॉय ब्लॉग वेलकम दिस इज अ वॉक इनटू कन्वर्ट कचरा पेटी दिस इज ओल्ड दिस इज न्यू कचरा पेटी इट इज राजदूत this is dukan is closing 9:35 p.m. and go to the home sleeping and eating final dukan is closed and go to the home tomorrow block is ending welcome back new blog yesterday આપણને આવું ન અપાવો આવા ધંધીના કરતા નહીં પ્યોર ગુજરાતી બોલવાની આપણે આવું ન અપાવો આજનો બ્લોગ અહીંયા પૂરો કર્યો છે બ્લોગ સારો લાગ્યો લાઈક કમેન્ટ અને શેર કરતા હો મળી એક નવા બ્લોગ આરે ત્યાં સુધી બાય બાય